2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Oreo.
happy birthday to you.
Okay, let him have some of his cake.
Bite, bite, go on, bite.
Do you like it, Oreo?
Come on up.
Do you like your cupcake?
Just take that for them.
He took off with his.
You can break it into pieces for him. You can break. Why don't you break it up and put it on the floor for him?
Where's my cake?
Okay. Well.
That's a good question. Where's my cake?
This is
Okay.
This is my cake, but
Pop
where's your
cake.
cake?
Cupcake.
No.
Hey, sniff the candle. Sniff the candle.
We didn't
Sniff the
light the
cake.
cake. We forgot
No.
to light the
Sniff
candle.
the cake.
No, hey.
Oh, he nearly tricked you. He nearly tricked you. That was a good trick, though, huh?